In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add desktop shortcut of Google Chrome on Windows registered trademark 10 Vinus Guru Aid. Begin by opening the Windows Start menu. In the search area, type Chrome. As you type, Windows will search your installed apps and should display Google Chrome in the results. Make sure you select the actual Google Chrome app from the list, since this is the program you want to create the shortcut for. Once you can see Google Chrome in the search results, right-click on it. This will open a small menu with more options. From that menu, click Open File Location. This step takes you to the folder where the Chrome shortcut or application file is stored in Windows. When the File Explorer window opens, look for Google Chrome in that folder. Right-click on Google Chrome again to open another menu. From there, click Create Shortcut. Windows may show a message letting you know that the shortcut cannot be created in that location, and asking whether you want it placed on the desktop instead. If you see that message, choose Yes. Windows will then automatically create the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop. After that, you can minimize or close the open windows and return to your desktop. You should now see the new Google Chrome shortcut icon there. You can double-click it anytime to launch Chrome quickly and easily. This is a quick Windows feature that can save time, especially if you use Google Chrome often throughout the day. That covers everything you need to know.